Open your Chrome browser. Select for Windows 10 download. Click on this Microsoft.com link. Download tool now. Open it. Accept. Select the upgrade this PC now option if you want to update your current running Windows version automatically without setup file. And if you want to download the Windows 10 offline setup file, select this create installation media for another PC option. Next. Untick this and select the version as preferred. Now tick and next. If you want to create a bootable Windows 10 pendrive, connect the empty pendrive to the PC and select this option, or if you want to download only the Windows 10 setup file, select this option. Next. Select the location where you want to download this ISO file. Click Save. And there you go, your Windows 10 offline setup ISO is downloaded for free. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.